Hi, I'm Anna.
I'm Joned. We are from Alchera Technologies, and our goal is to make infrastructure intelligent. We're a team of 12 focusing on machine learning and transport infrastructure with over 80 years of combined relevant experience and support from well-networked advisors. We founded Alchera in 2016 and raised angel investment in 2018. The challenge we tackle is that transport infrastructure is blind, whether it's about monitoring the impact of a third runway at Heathrow, dynamically scheduling buses, or simply streamlining data sharing with third parties. Transport operators tell us that they struggle to understand how their infrastructure is being used. And while we spend billions every year to build physical infrastructure, suboptimal operations then lead to longer-term losses and loss in profitability and turn the infrastructure into a bottleneck for the deployment of new mobility solutions. And the reason it's challenging to understand what's going on is because while there is plenty of data out there, it's hard to use it to solve actual problems because the data is siloed, it's fragmented, and it's patching coverage. This is why we've built Alpha, an AI platform that takes this fragmented data in real time, fuses it together using machine learning, and analyzes it to produce insights that help understand the performance and conditions of the underlying infrastructure asset. This output is then used to feed into existing workflows or into third-party products and services built on top of our platform. For example, a large road operator is planning to use Alpha to dramatically reduce the time and money it takes to detect anomalies on its network. To date, we have over 50 million measurements being collected and analyzed daily and have built large data sets that help us improve our proprietary models and better help our customers.
We're building a platform business and sell our services as a subscription model for access to the core platform with tiered pricing based on the functionality, for example, data fusion and prediction that our customers need. Longer term, we see the highest value sales coming from new generation business models where we gain share with our customers. During the Wayro program, we have closed £350,000 in commercial contract revenue, which has directly led to on-sale opportunities of 1.1 million. And have grown a pipeline of over 2 million in near-term opportunities for higher value sales to some really well-known customers in the mobility space. And that pipeline represents a tiny fragment of the huge market that we sit within. So the market for data for infrastructure is estimated at $20 billion US dollars by 2025, with use cases such as real-time operations for things like road networks and transport hubs, for dynamic pricing and scheduling for the operators of fixed assets and fleets, and data exchange for connected and autonomous vehicles. And we believe we are in a unique position to attack this market and have already proven traction with players in the space. We're actively raising our seed round at the moment, so please come and speak with us if you have any questions. Thank you.
Thank you very much. I was wondering how you access the data you guys aggregate.
So generally, we act as a service for the operators who already have sensors deployed on the road. So we would integrate with their existing sensors and then push data through our platform to generate the insights that they can then use to address their business cases. But we will also integrate with open data that is sometimes available from open data providers such as TfL and so on.
If I may just add quickly, I think that you use the word aggregation. I think it's important to make the distinction that while we can really help operators access their own data, some of the real core value that we can add is this machine learning functionality to actually draw insights from, or even for a huge road network operator or a car park operator seems like a simple digital transformation problem. Actually, turning that online and then gaining those insights as a service is something that we feel adds real value and have seen from the customers that we've worked with so far.
You've got some great traction so far, well done, and looks like their pipeline's looking fantastic. But what would you say are the biggest risks that you see out there at the moment for you guys and for that progression and growth?
I think there are definitely challenges. We're a small company and the customers we deal with are quite large and their timelines are quite long. And so there is a risk that while we're attacking this pipeline, it might take too long for things to progress quickly enough. And so we need to be able to attack multiple opportunities, probably of different sizes, to make sure that we can still service those larger opportunities that we believe will be our long-term value.
The current sales cycle at the moment?
6 to 9 months.
Thanks.